In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create bookmark folders in Google Chrome. Bookmark folders are a simple way to keep your saved websites organized, especially once your bookmarks bar starts to fill up. Instead of having a long row of individual links, you can group related pages together, like work sites, research, shopping, or learning resources. This makes it faster to find what you need and keeps your browser looking clean. Start by opening Google Chrome and making sure you can see your bookmarks bar. The bookmarks bar is the strip that appears just under the address bar, where your saved bookmarks can show up for quick access. If you do not see it, you may need to turn it on in Chrome settings, but for this guide, we will focus on creating the folder once the bar is visible. Now move your mouse to an empty area of the bookmarks bar. Try to avoid clicking directly on an existing bookmark, because that will open the page instead of giving you the menu you need. When your pointer is over a blank spot on the bookmarks bar, right-click. A menu will appear. In that menu, select Add Folder. This option tells Chrome that you want to create a new container on the bookmarks bar rather than adding a single bookmark. After you choose Add Folder, Chrome will open a small dialog where you can name the folder. Give it a clear, specific name that matches the type of websites you plan to store in it. Short names tend to work best because the bookmarks bar has limited space and long names can get cut off. You may also see a location option that lets you choose where the folder will be created. For keeping things easy to access, make sure it is set to the bookmarks bar so the folder appears right there at the top of your browser. Once the folder is created, you can begin organizing by placing bookmarks into it. A helpful tip is to keep your most used folders closer to the left side of the bookmarks bar so they are always within easy reach. And that is all there is to it.